In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your graphics card is working. So a faulty graphics card can cause a bunch of issues, so it's important to know whether it's working. Now to do this, open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Device Manager and click on the Device Manager window. From this window, we're going to expand the drop down next to Display Adapters, and from this list, you'll be able to see all of the graphic cards installed on your computer. So I have two here because I have an integrated and also a dedicated graphics card. Now to ensure that these are working, we just need to right click on it, click on Properties, make sure you're inside of the General tab, and then down where it says Device Status, you can see here it will say this device is working properly, and as long as you see this message, it indicates your graphics card is working. Now if you have more than one graphics card here, then you can just check both of them by right clicking again and clicking on Properties, and then just come back down to the device status. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.